Wacha sesingene sesikhona linjani ke bangani bami kuzindawo zonke zomhlaba ukuze ngalesi sikhathi siyabingelela greetings to all of you watching right now. Lo mathelela njengenhlala yenza siyabonga kakhulu nesupport yenu ukubukela khona la nxa lingasiniki nje le 10 rand lingasiniki 100 rand. uJola uyabesithembisa ukuthi ngizalinika ama $10 kodwa akasiniki lethu. Siyalibingelela ke lonke izindana zomhlaba kuzo wena singene masinyane abantu bakhala kuthiwa ngubani ke lo sibonakele kunjani sibonakele Mia sibonakele ukuthi ke mina ke ngikhumbula ke lapho mama afuthelwa kakhulu ebulawa yicancer uthe cervic cancer ngomnyaka ka 2011 ugulile ke uMadawu kwesikhathi eside esizobuhlungu mama wayevele ngizile ngedwa ubaba vele ke kazange abe khona empilweni yami ngahawula lo mama engatholi ngitsho le mithi khona apha edrobheni lakobulawayo sibhoda kodwa kumele ku chemo sayezinyangeni sayo yonke indawo bangafetha kakhulu into le yangiza ubuhlungu mina ke wayengazi ukuthi nguzi umama Mia so ngezwe ubuhlungu masalo wafaka ubuhlungu kakhulu ilanga soze likhohle mhla ka 13 August ngo2011 ngicela ke unitshele ezinye izingoma engikhumbula kakhulu umama ethanda kakhulu ke uvuyo le Pure Magic kanye labo Rebecca kodwa sikhethile zabaningi ngoba zakhona ngichaza ukuthi labo Rebecca labo Rebecca uRabheka mbona silayi lapha uthoma uRabheka Rabheka sibonise mntola Rabheka uyafuneka lapho ukuthi ungene sitshale ke umfowethu ungasenani ngikudingele ingoma yakho uRabheka nxa umthela ngoRabheka uthe ufuna ingoma ze Pure Magic uhlabela la iPure Magic siyakhangela sizikhangele ngobuningi bazo mana ngibona ngiyayithola ke ekavuyo ngithemba ubani za kujabulisa wena umlaleli othi Mia Jaro phela ke kuvuyo mokene hamba ke le Pure Magic ke wasikhathi sakubona usemnandi ngoba entembo bona ke uyaphila ngesikhathi lapho khona siyabonga ke incwadi yakho ngazi ukuthi uklene uyakhala laphana ngazi ukhalisa kwena uphalile paper plan ya maqhawetiwa uthi ke ukutshela ngeminyaka yami yama-90s ke Chisa bengiyimember ye-Star Force sihlupha kakhulu endaweni zenkulumane yakhumbula ke sitshake omunye umfana kuthiwa ke nguFarai samlimaza ngoba wayesefunda ke eNketa High School samlimaza kakhulu abazali bakhe bakhala inyembezi babuya ngikhaya emapholiseni sasilo amapholisa siwaziyo ayesekele ngasibophi ngikhumbula ke umpholisa othiwa nguConstable Mvuri noConstable Ncube babe ngabangani bethu sikhathi sangikhona sasihlupha labo Terra 10 manje nxa nanzelela ukubana ke inxendubeko zami lezi sezibizwa iKholokhiyana ngiyangizokhuluma ngokhama ukuthi mhlawumbe iKholokhiyana Chisa nyadubeka ngale mazanto abaningi njalo ke kulontombazana sasibabamba bevele isikolo sibabamba amavele ngenkani sometimes badabulele amaphendi ngenqawo sahlupha kakhulu lesikolo abanye bethu baxoxwa iminyaka lana 1993 kusaku 96 la thesinxa ibuya kimi so ngiyethuka ke Chisa ngoba ngenza into ezimbi it was evil sebhodile amapostorini lezinyangeni into zamasambi kahle ngawuthola umsebenzi ngixoxwe ngemva kwesikhatshana ngenzanga bethu sometimes ngisebenza nje uzothiwa usomisiwe ngaze ngenzeni imali ngayibamba isikhwameni ayihlali mfowethu ngidubekile ngisemzansi lapha kodwa ngisuke ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ngaloyo khona phambi lesana sikhathi even usenzakala ukubi abantu bathi yini lapha kathesi ngihlala eOrange Farm ngiyomaqhawe umsebenzi umile kunzima ekhaya kulalutho kimi lapha kulalutho ngantshela enye ingoma ke Chisa into zakhona ke mfowethu hayi kwakuvele kurongo lesikhathi siyakhumbula uStar Force labo Terra 10 yabahlupha laba bantu lahlupha madoda ngicela ke ungitshela ingoma engahamba ngisiye eGoli ethi zama like nqawulayo nasi
What's wrong with you? Uphethe Estamatla Sani Sezamale Look Black Label Siya Tinama Kairi Siya Tinama Kapitan Sala Nyakala Mawe Nani Bobo Zamalek Zamalek Yeprawa Estamos Sani man Sezamale Esa Izamale I must maka Siya yatinoma Kairi Siya yatinoma Kapitan Sala Nabo Owens Nani Bobi Excess Zamalek A Black Label Zamalek Aina System Zamalek Zamalek Ehe ayinasihlamahlama kuyawutshela Zamalek Zamalek says Zamalek yes sir look it black label look it kasi is Zamalek I must come down young child I've been in hotel but I read Lipita Mzali Lima Owens Bati was Zamalek Hena stomach Go high Zamalek Give black leg Zamalek hey Yo che Zamalek Imnand Zamalek Yo che Zamalek I understand Zamalek yeah yes
Wonder 90s wonga pona unganani vele sekuqala lesisini samama vele sesikhanye nababa ongazala lokho esishisa la namhlanje lokho esishisa yibe sitshela ke maqhawe ke kunzima amatwala ahlupha kakhulu lahlupha kakhulu sazama ukuthi sike sibuye sipopo maso hlasela ngathi kodwa basethelile ngamezi wrong savela sathi sabemo yeah le mpomo yesa sokuthi hayi akudlalelwa lokutshela ningadlalela le mpomo best eZimbabwe kubulawa vela mkhulumo ngoza ngikhulele impopo mazi uthi vela udabu kubulawa ungalahlobe impopo futhi hayi fala abantu ahlale entumbane kumbe uChabala lama lokutshila hayi le mpopo ayizwe ya Tekla Jabangwe Msakazi ngiyabonga ukuthi utholele ithuba sembhalele incwadi yami yesi5 Tekla ziningi incwadi ngithanda ke ukubingelela ngohlelo lomnandi kangaka ngelukhuthi lolu hlelo isehlakalo esenzakala empilweni yami isehlakalo esibuhlungu mina babami kangimazi chisa ngithanda ukutshela ke ngestory sami umama wadlwengulwa ngabantu abangu7 istory esizwe ngu-form 2 lana bamdlungulayo laba bantu bamthethe dathi umama wathwala esibhedlela wathola thule sisu kwathiwa ke abafundisa ngasaskiphi ngiyababonga abafundisi laba abangaskiphi ngazozalwa mina umama ke wakhanya sekhala kakhulu ezama ungitshela indaba yangikhona every time ngangibuza ukuthi ubaba waya ngaphi wayibonga ukuthi baba kho ke wayala isisu kodwa engafuni ukungitshela ukuthi ke yena ke warethwa ngabantu umama uthiwa wayesuka ke eMzilikazi esiye endaweni okuthiwa kuseNorthern so egangeni lakhona lapha bamdlungulela khona ngizothiwa kathesi yindawo yakho letwale wesipark eMangcwebeni walalwa ngabantu abaningi bemgedrepa endawo angikhona babaleka ngababotshwa ngaphi namhlanje mhlawumbe empilweni yami ngiyahlala la muntu ongubaba wamphathi wakho abakhona umama ungitshile umnyaka 2013 ngizobuhlungu ukuthi umama mfe ngatholanga ijustice le ndaba yakho ngingena ngale makhoti khanya icala laphelela emoyeni yimi ngizwa ubuhlungu kakhulu uTekla Jabangwe lo ngumalumama wanthatha i-birth certificate ngiyabonga ke msakazi ngikalala ngokuthula mama baba lapho khona ngibukhona emhlabeni ngikhona nomntanami umntanakho kangikwazi ukuthi umphuma baba Yeah, that's a very painful story. Sham. Ungasenani mama, you're a shining star, ungethuki wena. Engitsho ukuthi mana ngishaya ingoma ethi shine on, keep on shining. Shine on mama. Shine on. Yeah, ngoma Steve Kikani ngoma sithi shine on sichaleke uTekla. Tekla Jabangwe, hey madoda, sorry mom. I think it was important his life. I hope so le family ngos labantu bakho, don't worry. Sihlalele ntombeni ndala. Siyabonga kakhulu ngokusibhalela kwakho. Hey kuyenza ngathi izinto eziningi. Asiwe wedwa mama baningi abantu abadlula phakathi kwento ezinje, inkinga ezingaka. Yeah, kuthi kunjalo ke kulabantu uqathele ukuthi ke lifunde ke ama languages. Kulabo uqathele ufunda ama languages. These days you are online. There's African languages online school. African languages online school. African language online school is an online school which has an objective of teaching Africans abroad their respective mother languages. ALOS uses professionally trained teachers with experience in teaching in their respective countries. Our classes are imparted through live sessions twice a week, and each program ends with a virtual tour to cultural, tourist and heritage sites. Bangarwa, Lina Wabas England, UK, Australia, Canada, America, even Zimbabwe, South Africa. Abantwana basazi indebele. Ngensana kwa bana abantwana basazi Shona. Abantwana basazi isiTonga. Ngenani kwa phala fundisa isiZulu. Ama languages akhona. Lingafona limfonele ke laba bantu laba. kuthiwa ke languages offered Ndebele, Tonga, Shona and Kalanga. Makalanga. Makalanga kwazo. Chozi Makalanga. Yeah. Fundani lapha isikhalanga. Tolumba ngapha matonga lonke. Awase Canada, Australia, South Africa, United Kingdom, the United States of America. Go online right now. Let's visit their website. Ageli check lifunde online. African Languages School Online. Ancho. African Languages School Online. I check korapana. African Languages. Try afrolanguages.com. Afro Languages website. Afrolanguages.com. Afrolanguages.com. Yenzana usenza liphindela ke address singaqedi laphana ngiliphindela abangani bethu laba so cela ukuthi liba support African Languages. Thank you. Siyabonga. Yekela ke sephambili ke ngohlelo lo ke uphethe ke uDumi. Dumi kunjani Dumi Kumbo? Ibizo lazi labasimi ngilazi. Mina khaya ngisuka khona le phansi eJocholo. Ngawuqonda ke follow siya khona ke. Thisa ke ngumla ke umnyaka ka1996. Mina bengilisese lijaha lapha ngisazizwa okwamagama. Into ezakalayo ke khona ukuthanda ke ukubhema iwiti. Ngasuka ngani sengiphambene ingqondo. Ngoba ngithe ngibone sengibotshwe ukuthi engenzileka isilo. Manje siya ke ngale emfuleni kuthiwa ke ngiyakhumbula ngibona ke ugogo. Mina by then I was turning 21. Ugogo lo ke ebetheza inkuni. Mase ngumeqela kodwa ugogo lo iqinize ukuthi sasivumelene. Yebo ugogo le 61 years. Kuthi ngalala ngenkani engafuli. Ngase ngisiya icina sengiwothiwe ngapha bamestoksini. Kwasothiwa ke mina ngirephile ugogo ole 61 ngabotshwa laphana ukuchaywa ngakutshwa amapholisa eJocholo angisoze ngafa ngakukhohlwa banthatha ke ngathonisiswa ke eLupane ngagcina sengihanjiswa ke eWange ngagwetshwa ke 10 years ejele ngaseva iminyaka efika ke 6 laba banthumela khona banthumela ukuthi ngibuye koBulawayo ngahansi endawo talk sekami ngahlupheka kakhulu ndakathi izinto le yanhlupha ngithe ngisejele khona phana bonke abantu bengasafuna ungibona lekhaya ubaba wami uthe phuma wesithi ngcono ngihambe wangisa ke komalume ngahlala ke eGogwe ngasuke eGogwe omanje eSouth Africa angifiki lekhaya lokho ngabalekayo isalwazi siyana ke ngicela singixolele lapho esikhona lapho esilele khona siwafa lo gogo wayemdala ke thisa wakuphambana ngambhezwe imbanje abangani bami ke ofiki labanye shwake zenzanga kodwa ngiyaxolisa ngithe ngi-on-up mhlawumbe ngathiwa lezibusiso ukuthi waleli ncwadi yami khona ngizaba lelihlahla hawu Dumi Kumbo hayi mfana kithi hey selivala mina don't believe ukuthi ke umuntu engenza ulutho aseblema utshwala imbanje kanti indaba ngizanguyelala nenhlabathi kumbore phansi theleke kwipitshana kwakho phansi kwapha nenhlabathini kumbe walande inkomo umbalandana so wawuyazi into yenzayo lesalukazi senkosi waphomanza kakhulu mfowethu kakhulu kodwa ke nxa uvuma izono zakho khuleke uNkulunkulu wakho ucela ukuthethelele ugogolwana ngazi ke umuntu enkosi walala kudala ngicela ke ingoma zabo Yvonne Chaka Chaka ingoma zakudala uZex Manatho Highlanders kumbe lana ingoma kethi Dula mntana mina zizojika izinto yekela ngitholele yona zizojika izinto Dula mntana Tulamtana, manukalela
Senzomkhulu secretary. Senzomkhulu secretary. Kwedemanda chairperson. Kwedemanda chairperson. Ho ho. Ho. Ho ho. Ho. Ramaphosa president. Ramaphosa president. Senzomkhulu secretary. Senzomkhulu secretary.
Zizojikizito, walukhalelani, walukhalelani, walukhalela. Zizojikizito, walukhalelani.
Zizojika izinto wena ukhalelani. Wena ukhalelani ziyojika izinto ke ngudumi kumbolo ke. Sesijikile izinto sokukubi kuwe ke ugogo ke wamdlongolayo ke. Wahamba swalana yeah siyabonga kakhulu ke. As you can see ukuthi ke we're still going on with investigations. We're still going on doing our journalistic job which we're born to do. So into yenzakalayo ukuthi we are still on Kudakwashe Mahachi, and unless and otherwise Kudakwashe owns up, I'm not going to stop. We are doing further investigations. We will put pressure on anybody, whether the police, South African authorities. We're going step by step. People, patient, they're saying, why is he not arrested and all that? It's a process. You don't just go and arrest somebody, especially when they are well known. They're not going to run anywhere, they're not going to hide. Whether they go to UK, to Canada, the law will deal with them. As you know, Ukuda has refused to come to talk to us. He uses his lawyers to offer what we call letters of threats to people, to intimidate people. There are other people who believe or who are his who go on insulting people with social media. If my dear sister Rose, now can you tell your husband what you on up, dear sister Soneni, Mama Rosie, come up, who play in the social media is not going to help anybody. We are here for Diego. Tomorrow it will be their 2-year-old Rose. So, you never know what's going to happen. We know this is life. In love, anything can happen. There are people we never expected was a divorce. There are people who thought that as lovers, they are there for each other for 100 years, but it never worked that way. So at the moment, the love might be rosy, might be enjoying, might be happy, likolisa, trying to defend or cover for each other, but there'll be a time when things bend. When we say bend, we need bend. Ugucha, where you're going to see what life is unfair, yet other things can be sorted easily. This is a very minor thing, with just a dialogue between you, Rose, Kuda, and Umamamtwana, Marita, and sort this out. It's easy as all that. No one wants the Kuda March's career to end, but the way he's doing it, it might end. It might end. Because any team who's going to take Ukuda is going to cook and see all these stories come out. Because there's more to come. There's a lot more to come. So if I were him, I know he watches me, he watches this show, I would say, Mfanam, give us a call. Let's talk. And we sort this out before it's too late. I repeat, before it's too late. Yes, lawyers are there. Lawyers, even if I met someone now, a lawyer would tell me that I'm not guilty, I'll be acquitted. Lawyers want this. Some of these things which can be sorted by a mere dialogue. Lawyers will tell you all this, but at the end of the day, we have seen Oscar Pistorius who thought that the man is a but the lawyers cleaned him. Yet that thing could have been sorted a long time ago had he done the right thing in the beginning. So sometimes you do these things, you play to the media, you play to social media, you play to this. right. And when they approach us to give them information, whether Super Sport, whether Saudi Arabian team, mina yabaniga information which I have. But what I'm saying is, let's talk. Talk to your ex, talk to your wife, you sit down, 3 of you, if you want somebody there, abanye abantu who you believe they love you. Ungathatha abantu who flatter you. Because abangani ndi labanye abantu bakutshela bekuthove ukuthi awungayenzi kuyaba right Jake, yet they are putting you in great danger. My man, I love you so much. You're my boy, and azayilwe lawe, and azayenze lutho lawe. So I'm not here to fix you or kuthiwa mina. The stories you tell people to I want to end your career, it's not the case. Mina, I'm there for Diako, your own son, your own blood. I saw blood down, but your own son. And what I do is, mina, the vulnerable people, the less privileged people, the people aba defenseless, I stand for them. Whether I fight for them. I fight through thick and thin, and I won't stop, despite my threats from whoever. And I fear nobody. I go any country in the world and I don't fear anybody. Even in this country, they know me. I don't even fear them. I don't fear anybody. Right? Yes, I'm doing what is right. And I haven't done anything wrong. It's because I love you, Faram. So you can tell you, Kuruma, the people are sending to approach me. Why are you not approaching me? Approach me directly. Because if you send other people to approach me, it's not going to help. Approach me directly. Okay? I'm waiting for your call, Kuya. Let's hope before I finish this show, you call me, then we talk. Or else, you get out with this just like that. Want justice for Diego? Thank you. What is Palage Velage Tuli? Tuli Gwenjani Tuli? A temple Pili Mama. Utuli Uti Titawamyanga 2003, Lapatana Goralindo, Talapage, United Kingdom. Mastella, Mina Mastella and Tomberongwe. Namtanda luaba baba loke wathule umzukulu wakhe la afuneke abuye lapha ke azohlala lathi umzukulu wakhe behlala eSouth End thina behlalela ngapha ngabo Rotherham eUK yayazi kahle UK wabuya ke umzukulu wakhe intombazana la mambiza umzukulu ngoba kuhle endlini ngimthanda ngakhuluma labo sisi wakhe ekhaya abamngami nalo ngicela ngamqamba izwi lakhe because bamazi abantu and la uzanizondela but ngitshela uzakubhalela wena so uthe kunjalo babekwethisa lo mzukulu wakhe kuze bephakathi obusuku sometimes bahambe bonke eclub mina la ngithatha uthi lo mzukulu kathi ngingakwazi ukuthi umuntu lo ke umama omncane ulala laleni erombile but nxa uqamba uthi ngaqamba indoda yakho ngiqambe lo sisi ambona ngani kwa-unfair yena ke la ngokomoyo bahlanyisana khona phana mina ngithi hayi even nxa behlala ngendlela ehlala ngayo ke mamo wayehlala ke vele ngegozi fitshana bona uthi hayi phela ukomalumekazi wakhe lo malumakhe ize ngimkhulume nami ngithi hayi intombi yakho mzukulu izitori eziningi nango ke umntwana semithi nawo seqalise uba umuntu ke ma-morning sicknesses wahlupheka kakhulu samuntu odokotela ngamaroto ezinjani wabe sithi ngimithi kwathiwa upregnant laye wavuma ukuthi ubonani umithi so ukuthi ngubani sadinga saswela watshenga umalume akhe wathi kuyini khona okwenza ubuye lapho uzomitha mzulu ezenjani ngoba ke into khona sengithola ke information wazama ukumkhiphisa isisu umntwana lo wala wathi kasikhiphe isisu so wahlala lana unkazana 8 months kwathiwa ubikelwe ekhaya ukuthi semithi wazala umntwana chise ngithenge yonke ipreparation yonke yomntwana ngamenzela yonke into ngithumela le mali ngoba ngingasasebenzi ngithumela kwabekhaya kade ngithumela ihlobo zika mama omncane uthe sebelethe umntwana aqalisa ama-rumors ukuvela ukuthi umntwana lami ngamkhangela ngabona ukuthi umntwana lo uyafana ke lo no umntanami akhangelisisa yonke into ama-features yangikhathaza into la bantu baqasa ukukhuluma kwalelanga aqunga isibindi ngabe ngumlanda ngimbuza ngathi ngiyakubulala lapha ngase ngithwele ingqamu ngathi ngiyafelejele la wavuma ukuthi umiswe indoda yakhe ngawela phansi ke into lela kade sengidabukile sengilabo BP umuntu ongasaphilanga wathi wasuka ke endlini okwamanje uhlala ke eLiverpool umqambe lo mntwana wendoda yami abadala bakhuluma lathi kodwa ngixolele indoda. Ngithi qaphelani izihlobo lezi ngamantombazana kuthiwa abazulu. Uyabelana nomuntu wakho sithi yini. Into leyenzana ngomnyaka ka-2016 lakathesi ichisa lokho engidabukile ubuhlungu imuthuli ngwenya lapha-ke e-UK. Ngicela ke ingoma engangitshayela yona vele kudala uthi kanike uthando lwami nje ukuthi ngilami ngumniko lwakho uthando. Give me your love. Awufuna siqambe useyabantwana futhi siqambe ke umama omncane inkani. Give me your love. Give me your love, baby. Ngoma sitshale ke uThuli Ngwenya ugene mafura lo give me your love. Mshala mntu shamshala zamgcwalisa. Uzithi umzukulu. Basopho mama. Khangela ihlobo lazaneni. Vele maze kulula uqambela abantu amanga. Wena amakhewa aqambela amanga kodwa is my brother. Yena umuntu ebhesi. Don't forget online languages. Yeah, it's called online lessons. Africa Languages Online School. Africa Language Online School. ALOS is an online school which has an objective of teaching Africans abroad their respective mother languages. ALOS uses professionally trained teachers with experience in teaching in their respective countries. Our classes are imparted through the live sessions twice a week, and each program ends with a virtual tour of cultural tourist and heritage sites. It is important now to change Abantwana in Africa. Visit afrolanguages.com, www.afrolanguages.com, or call +614 6895 2511 +614 6895 2511 or +27 60415 2621. Yeah, lapha tholakala khona. Then Pretoria as well, the Purple Tree 1015 Stanza Bobabe Street, Hatfield, Pretoria 0083. www.africanlanguages.com, africanlanguageschool.com, Afro Languages, afrolanguageschool.com. Wherever you are, United States, Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Dexter, how you doing, Dexter? Dexter Nkomazana, uyaphila na? Ya, ngathola ke omunye umama omhle kanga okwamagama. Omhle kangaka nje sabona umuntu omagama. Lo mama mina Jagala Nkomazana njalo ngwaliwa. Ngikombise ke suka ke umniki lift suka ke Rwanda. Umthwala ke umuntu wenkosi lapha nasakhuluma. Ngithe siyafika ke embalabala hayi sisivumelene. Sevele ke sihamba mfakele sandla ke emlenzeni. Ngalo kuthwala abantu bemuhlike lo mama saqhubeka sihamba sonke. Sasangena ke koBulawayo. Hayi ngalungisa ke lo mama lo kubana ke ngoba mina ngilo nkosikazi ikhasi yobonana ke kusasa. Hayi endlini. Ebusuku vele bengilala ngiphupha manike into ezihle kakhulu ke. Ngibona ke lamabhaloni kukuhle umntana abantu wayebuyele ubuthongweni. Salo ngisake follow Dr. Sihlangane. Ya ngahlangana laye. Igama lakhe kuthiwa ke Musiphiwe Philile Ncube. Siphiwe Philile Ncube. Salungisa ke ukuthi ngiyahlangana kusasa following day. Ngasendlini ke ngenxa ngase ngihlala iviki yonke engabuyelanga ekhaya. Umama ngathi ngisubana ngikhathela ngizwa kahle. Ngisenze ukuthi kusasa ngibe ngiqinile. Nxa ngihlala nomama. Ngathola ke lo mama wothuye mina. Hayi vele ethenile futhi umama lwana. Ngase ngicina ke siyakudla kwayindawo zathi siqeda ukudla yimlwana ngiqonda ke emalodge ubona ngebhatala. Safika ke lodge lapha msakazi into ezakalayo ukuthi ke lo mama konke lani vele ekhaya ngento libele ke wayevele sifakele ezinye izinto phakathi kwebra kwangela vele khona ngoba nxa nginomama mavele ubona ngathandi semoteni ukuthi ahlubule lapha engafuna uhlubula le bra. Mama nana wakhipha kathi asola nwele iwiki. Umuntu wenkosi emaqwayibana ekhanda. Lapha ngabona ukuthi lapha ke kuthweni ibulewe i-makeup. Yavuka nzima chisa ke hayi ngathola la ngale kakukho right. Ngiyazisola namhlanje. I think I'm so dirty. Ngamthola ke lo muntu ngahle ngablocker yonke into ngifuna la kumbona futhi. Muvi lo mama ke ngalinyazwa i-makeup lento eziqondile. Lapha ngazoyifakeni ukuthi ekhanyele structure. Ngaphansi ngapha egqoke yabhudula eyikhipha ke hip yomhlaba. Athola ke umuntu ke straight nje akula lutho lukhona. Hayi ndoda ke xa ulongo kwakho qinisela asikuthi bahla abafazi laba phandla abaningi bazilungisa kakhulu. Yimi ke uDexter Nkomazana endawo kakhulu ukuthi lapha ngayenzela indlala. Okhokhile mnumzana ulungiselele ukuthi namhlanje odabuka ibrook watholakala ukuthi hayi akunjalo. Uthe njalo ke ingoma ekala ke Dube nxa ungayithola. Yiphi ekala ke Dube ifunayo? Khuluma phela ukuthi ufuna sibone la ke Dube uyalistela ingoma zanini. Lelanga hanya kuchala ilanga yeseduze. Le brook lami idabuke liseduze. Hayi ushaya ibrook lami idabuke. Cool Crooners. Ibrook lami idabukile. Ibrook nalo sisi ke lale ngaseyo yaqanga. Wabona hip lana. Babaza ama hip these days. Bakwazela. Basop.
Aye
ngiyavuma abantu bonke sebedala ngami abantu bonke bathi ngizibonda lo msebenzi awutholakali ayi bazangenzani ayi
Jackson Komozana ke sithemba ufundile babuda hayi uhlala upomba kwami udobha nje kuza kulimaza mfowethu uyakuyenga ngamahipi la fekila lesipenda mlomo uthi sengitholile kodwa isipenda mlomo Nkomoza siyabonga Nomsa Chili kunjani Nomsa siyakubingelela sibonga uhlelo mina ke ngumama ole 42 into enhluphayo ukuthi ke 5 years ago ngathola ke umasaka umuntu la ngamthuthukisa ngamenza lawo khangeleka ngamgezisa ngimthengela mina ke intombi yakoChili ngiyaziqhatsha ngoba ngangifuna ijacket elihle lo muntu ke bekhona apha ke eNgland le UK ibelapha ke eNgland ke ingulova usebenza industry ngamgezisa wahlambuluka wabamuhle ngamthengela impahla top shop yonke indawo you name them ethena umuntu wenkosi kuthi sokubonakala lokho nxa nguthi endlini ngibhizi nchama shift khona kusale kubhizi online ukhombisa kuflatter kwacela sosiyamithisa isibhonda so ekhiwa elayinini yethu umuntu omubi chisa ngafaya le picture yakhona umama wayelesisa sile ngaphandle umtshele ke ngcini ukuthi angisafunda kumbona phansi kwami nilahle njengenja kade seyisidakwa phela silale emabhawa asoze ngikhohle umnyaka 2017 lapha ngazwestela khona isikhathi sami ngale ayawuthethisa lo muntu Nomsa Chili andiswachiye mama ukhohlwa ngaye ke waswamithisa umuntu wenkosi uthi wabelale utsho ngakho uyabhala ukuthi wabelale embhedeni nokomuhle elala lesibonda no wonder ngangithola ke ingubo zamntanje ziphumba lemsisi sincolile hawu ndoda hey madoda uma ugcinile wathola umuntu oright ekuthandayo wona usenza into ezinjalo ungabonisa njalo mfowethu hayi era kuchela gobo le Nomsa ekawe suthandazele utsho njalo ke uklala uthi hayi bhala enye usqueeze incwadi lapha lengane Nomsa Chili siyabonga kakhulu siyabona Nomsa ke ngothi mbale le khala uklala ngibale Tapiwa Ruziwe kunjani Tapiwa Thisa ke mina ngithe ngobulawa ngisebenze eNational Railways of Zimbabwe ngomnyaka ka1997 senze apprentice kwaphakathola ke intombi yami engahlanda isithi ke ihlala ke eChabalala igama lakhe kezwe kwakuthiwa Sitholile moyo umntwana bemuhle kwaphambaniseka ngachaze ngomedisile kodwa ihlobo zami osekuru o-anti bathi ungathathi umntwana wesindebeleni lami njalo ngisemncane lami ngavuma ngala isisu aphinda kwenzakala ngazomithisa futhi omunye kuthiwa ke ngifanele belesihluku uthandiwe laye futhi ngayala isisu manje into esinhlupha thina sengikhulile senanzele ukuthi yayitrapha lezimo ebadaleni kwakuthiwa mandebele mahuri ave kwasuthiwa uSarore manje sengisola ukuthi engamthathayo nguye wangulelayo uThafi wangulela kakhulu wakhomba kanti sengizisola ukuthi ngalahla abantu bami ngicela ke ubamemezele uthi nxa umuntu wakothanda uTapio Ruzibe and just want to know where those kids are sebengabantu abadala kathesi yimi ngiyabonga ke uTapio Ruzibe nasi le phone number ungabezwa osiza wathandana lo mfana osenza ke National Relays of Zimbabwe ngikhona ngicela ukubona abantwana I can't sleep thinking of those kids ukuthi banganani kathesi I hope bayaphila athi kuchale ke ingoma eceleka amajayivana isono sang yubo mazwe ndawo. Don't forget afrolanguageschool.com abantwana bangafiki bengama strangers in Africa bazi isindebele Shona Tonga bafunde konke lokhana so visit the website www.afrolanguageschool.com enroll there bafundisi ngiyabonga kakhulu ke client bathelela la nonke libhaleyo nayo umchalo wethu uJoe siyabonga igama lonke zathisa lisa
Isono sanibo isono sam nekubamu ngentaba isono sanibo isono sam nekubamu ngentaba isono sanibo isono sam nekubamu ngentaba bensola Bengisola mina batibona ngimuzwa ngendaba bayangihleka mina batibona ngimuzwa ngendaba bayangizonda mina ngoba mina ngimuzwa ngendaba mama isono sanibo isono sam nekubamu ngentaba 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 iqala nibo iqala nekubamu ngentaba iqala nibo iqala nekubamu ngentaba iqala nibo iqala nekubamu ngentaba wena lungileyo ozuzosilamulela ngoba thina singamazwa ngendaba wena lungileyo ozuzosilamulela ngoba thina singamazwa ngendaba isono sanibo isono sam nekubamu ngentaba bayangisola mina batibona ngingumzwa ngendaba ngaze ngiye emazweni penduke emazweni ngaba ngikhiphe emaphepheni mina ngoba ngingumjwangedaba ngaze ngihlabele kanjani ngide kanjani ngoba ngikhiphe emoyeni mina ngoba mina ngingumjwangedaba ngaze ngihlabele kanjani ngide kanjani ngoba ngifuni mina athi bona ngingumjwangedaba ngaze ngiye emazweni